Hi everyone, welcome to New Finance and welcome to another video on Ethereum Classic ETC. And as always, in this video, I want to talk about the consolidation that's been going on with Ethereum Classic today and in the past week, I would say, and also touch on a few things that are being said on Twitter by quite a few people that are interested a lot, just like myself, and I'm probably invested heavily on Ethereum Classic. See what their thoughts are in regards to the price action that we've been seeing in the past week or so, and where this may be taking Ethereum Classic in the future. And I also want to mention the CPI report that came out yesterday, with inflation being at record high after the frenzy of money printing that has been going on in the past 2 years due to the pandemic. So if that all sounds good to you, and we'll also jump into the charts as well, just to talk a little bit about trading opportunities if you are trading Ethereum Classic in the short term, and also talk about when might be a great opportunity to buy in and get a foot in the game if you're not in it already. So guys, ETC Army, I just want you guys to hit that subscribe button, give me a like as well if you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned. I'm willing to make a video every single day besides Sundays on Ethereum and also another cryptocurrency of you guys' choice. Leave me a comment. Currently I've been picking based on the volatility of the market, what coins are very popular at the moment. So if there is a specific one you want me to cover, leave it in the comment section below, and your thoughts are always welcome as well. So let's get straight into it. At the moment, Ethereum Classic, just like the video that we made yesterday regarding this cryptocurrency, it's again hovering above 30, just above $30, with the 24-hour high of 31.88 cents, and the trading volume is up today 3% at $341 million, with market dominance and market rank still the same. I want to also talk about here on Coinbase, you can see roughly how many typical hold time there is, and for ETC it's around 40 days, which I don't know, it's certainly shorter than the amount that I've been keeping ETC, and I've been interested in this coin, and at the moment 52% buy against 48% sell. So the other thing that I wanted to maybe dive into was into the chart, where I know we always go back to this moment that we had in early May last year, and how we've sort of never recovered since the steady come down here all the way in July, when we saw a low here at lows of $30, where we are consolidating at the moment, which we've not been able to recover to test anywhere near above $100 since then. So guys, I think in the short term, I personally think I mentioned this in the video yesterday as well, so shout out to you if you were here for that as well. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. I mentioned how seeing the cycles with ETC, you just see a small rise and then a big dip, small rise and then a big dip. It has become very predictable in order to get in when we see a huge dip, in order to make a quick buck, hoping for it to recover. And it will recover, since, as you can see here, there, every big dip that you can see, we have seen recovery, and if you caught those, you are likely to make profits. In terms of long term, guys, with what's to come with cryptocurrencies after this, the FUD that's going on at the moment with the CPI reports, inflation, and also the US government perhaps putting sanctions on cryptocurrencies. Once all of that is over, I think with Ethereum 2.0 coming as well, I think we could go ahead and test $250, which was a target for Ethereum Classic by the end of 2021. And a few people are quite mad about the fact that we're not seeing anything, any prices quite near the $250 mark that we were promised. So guys, just quickly jumping on Twitter, guys. So you can go ahead and follow us, New Finance 4, on Twitter. Not quite active, but hopefully we will be in the near future. So here, most people are talking about how ETC are getting involved in making some NFTs. They're hosting NFTs, and I'll have to give a big shout out to Savage Profits, who is crazy about ETC as much as I am, and he has personally single-handedly building NFTs on this platform and exposing us to investments such as those on our favorite platform. The other thing I wanted to mention in terms of ETC once again was that now you are able to do swaps on ETC. There was the exchange block Hebi that are currently offering the swap on ETC. So if you are interested in swapping your ETC for perhaps another coin for low fees, they are offering that, which is good to see, the fact that it is being recognized as that. And not just Savage Profits, but all the other people. Classic Swagos is another person that is building NFTs on Ethereum Classic here as well, guys. And the other bit of news that could be likely coming up for Ethereum Classic is the Mystic hard fork that we are expecting early February 2022, and what effects that may have on the market is unpredictable, and we see where that could take it. So just going back to, I want to highlight something the Savage Profits mentioned about how the price that we were promised by the end of this year at $250, which is well above the all-time high, is not reached. And partly you can't blame it all on Ethereum Classic, and he beautifully summarized it, the fact that hey, the whole market is down, there's a lot going on in the stock market, and the whole financial situation is not as great as you would like. It's not an ideal situation for a run-up for any coin who perhaps have not had a huge catalyst specific to that token. So the other thing I wanted to touch on, guys, was the CPI report yesterday that was released, which is inflation rises 7% over the past year, highest since 1982, and this is all new territory in terms of inflation that we're seeing at the moment worldwide. And last time, especially for America, when this happened, it took a whole President Ronald Reagan the Great to come out here, put policies in place to sort this out, and it looks like we need another miracle, another system, another financial system such as cryptocurrencies to come in here, save the day, and get us back on track. So I'm very optimistic in that front. So apart from that, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, what you thought of the information that was shared on this video. And by all means, everything that I'm saying here is my opinion and is for me to consider, because I am interested in this cryptocurrency. Everything else, your investments are not guaranteed, and any investment decision you make should be backed by your own research and your own personal decision. I will be making another video on a second cryptocurrency, which I have chosen, guys. So any other cryptocurrencies you want me to cover, I will consider in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys in the next one.